Hello. This video demonstrates how to create house bills of lading, HBLs, in our container shipping agency software. After initially creating the bill of lading, BL, the next step involves specifying the master BL number and the number of part BLs. In this example, I will select 2 as the number of HBLs we need. Once you've entered this, click the Save button to proceed. Now let's navigate to the Cargo section. Here, I have already entered the necessary cargo details. Notice the BL serial number field. If a cargo item has a BL serial number of 1, it will be associated with and displayed on the first HBL. Similarly, if the BL serial number is 2, that cargo will appear on the second HBL. Moving on to the Container section, you'll see a similar BL serial number field here. If a container has a BL serial number of 1, like container number 1280, it will be listed on the first HBL. If a container has a BL serial number of 2, such as container number 3675, it will be shown on the second HBL. The same logic applies to the Party section. Any party information with a BL serial number of 1 will be included in the first HBL. Finally, in the Marks and Description section, if the BL serial number is 1, that information will appear on the first HBL. If the BL serial number is 2, it will be on the second HBL. Now let's print these BLs. Click on the Print BL icon. I will select the draft print type and then Fetch BLs. You can now see the 2 HBLs that have been created. If I select the first HBL and proceed to print, you'll see that it includes container number MEDU9431280. Let's scroll down to the bottom of this BL. If I then select the second HBL and print it, you'll see that it contains the second container, number MSU51436675. That concludes the process of creating and printing HBLs based on the master BL and associated details. Thank you.